Hi, and welcome back to Park Superior Sales. My name is Jordan, and today we're taking a look at this beautiful coach behind me, a 2017 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix S Hearse. Beautiful black colorway we have here, silver pinstripe all along the vehicle, full black vinyl tuxedo top on this vehicle, all the bells and whistles. It does come pre-wired for strobes right in the front grille, so if you'd like to at the time of purchase, you can easily add a set of 2-way or 4-way strobes into that front grille for that high visibility. You do get a set of 18-inch Cadillac wheels on this vehicle, really beautiful. Chrome drip rail, chrome B and C pillars on this vehicle, which is really nice and dresses it up. And you've got that chrome crown band as well, which really ties it all in together and makes the vehicle pop, especially with that silver pinstripe. As we move along into door number 2 here, got a beautiful simple door card here with some Cadillac embroidery, gray drapes, chrome nameplate brackets as you come to expect, Cadillac logo on that partition wall, Madagascar casket flooring, 2 stationary beer pins up front. You got a closed church truck with a flip-up lid. Flip-up lid gives you that versatility to stand that church truck up or slide it down and hide it away from families so they're none the wiser. You got an umbrella storage up front for some pamphlets, flyers, flags, anything that you might need for your service. But absolutely beautiful. Just took it on trade. Very, very good condition on this Platinum Phoenix S. You might be saying, what is the Phoenix S? The Phoenix S offered a signature rear lighting in the casket compartment. So let's take a better look at that so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. You got 10 LED lighting fixtures all on your roof headliner. And you got some nice panel lighting fixtures on the left and right hand side that is just a little more spruced up from a regular Phoenix, so it gives you a little more options in the casket compartment. It really makes this casket compartment glow. As you can see, it's beautiful Madagascar floor, bifold bumper carpet protector to preserve that rear bumper over the lifetime you own the coach. Many days of getting the church truck up to the back, loading that casket in and out of here. This just does a great job preserving the bumper so you're not bumping into it and doing any damage to it. But really, really nice. You do get a built-in urn carrier here, a quick adjust release beer pin stored on the right-hand side, 10 rollers all in the rear. Absolutely beautiful. And we can take a nice look at this with cremations on the rise. Great to get your coach rolling a few more times a month, especially accommodate those services in your local area. A built-in urn carrier is definitely a great option to behold. You can easily accommodate any size urn that might be on the market, and this also can accommodate any child-sized casket, heaven forbid that might be the case. And now you're into perfect casket mode, as I mentioned. So a bunch of signature lighting features in the rear here on this Phoenix S. Great option to have, and it was a very high dollar option at the time for 2017 when this Phoenix had just hit the market. As we come to the back door here, the rear load door, it's a left-hand door hinge. You do have your 3-piece load door stainless here, and you do have a backup camera as well integrated to the rear bumper here. So anyone at your funeral home can move around this coach with confidence. You got the flowing landau bars, chrome B and C, and chrome crown band. We'll take a look into door number 2 on the driver's side. Absolutely immaculate. Flip-up lid here as well with your full-size spare tire. It's a matching XTS wheel, so you're going to, heaven forbid, if you had a flat, it's a matching wheel. Tool and jacket, and you have some extra storage space here as well, which is really great for any services that you might be accommodating for. But moving into the driver's compartment, you got a black leather-wrapped steering wheel, black leather seats, power telescopic wheel, push-button start, remote start, keyless entry. You got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, engage the vehicle in reverse. You get that backup camera popping right onto that touchscreen infotainment system so you can move the coach around with confidence. Above your overhead compartment, there is a switch for the strobes if you decide to install them at the time of purchase, but this is pre-wired for strobes, so it's all set and ready to go. On the steering wheel, you do have some great volume control and some great cruise adaptation as well, so it's a nice hands-free driving experience. Tons of great features and options on this coach. So if you'd like to get some more information on this 2017 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix S Hearse, please give us a call at 1-800-229-5008 or check out 80+ studio photos of this vehicle, a walk-around video, and this demo that you're viewing right now at www.parksuperior.com. Thanks so much.